हमेशा बोलती हूँ अगर तुम्हारे में मगज है, भेजा है, ब्रेन्स है तो तुम बोलोगे।
नहीं भैया, जिसको चेंज नहीं होना है वो नहीं चेंज होगा।
You're a TV face, you're overexposed. Why will people come to see you?
I will fix him and guessed what? मुझे mental asylum जाना पड़ गया।
Luckily, I have dated short men and they've been like, Park, I love your height, man.
50 guys falling for me? That's not how it went. No.
आपको हील कैसे पहनाएंगे? ड्रेस पहनोगे तो हील तो पहननी पड़ेगी, तो आप ओवर पावर करोगे लड़कों को। तो ये सब बहुत मिला है। Sorry, we are rejecting you because you're too tall.
तो मैं कॉलेज नहीं, कैंटीन के लिए बनी हो। एंड आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट एवरीवन नोज दैट आई वाज अ बैक बेंचर हु ओनली यूज्ड टू बंक अ कॉलेज। Welcome to Bunk, powered by Secret Temptation and in association with Type Beauty. Today's guest is the kind of woman who reinvents what it means to be in the spotlight. She's gone from ruling Indian television to carving a distinct voice in the OTT world, winning hearts not with drama but with depth, and a strong screen presence in some of the most talked about thrillers and dramas lately. But that's not all she's now, using a platform to speak up, not just show up. Her new podcast dives into real, unfiltered conversations, proving she's not just a performer, but a sharp mind with something to say. With every reel, every role, and now every recording, she's making sure she's not just relevant, she's redefining relevance. Please welcome the bold, brainy, and brilliantly candid Karishma Tanna. So before we open your bunk file, I have a very important question for you.
Yes.
Who would you rather be locked in a room with for 24 hours? Your exes or your internet trolls? And no, you can't escape. So your exes or your internet trolls?
I think my internet trolls, because I want to ask them that why are you trolling me? Why do you have to say such nasty things? And then maybe I'll change it and make them fall in love with me and make them my fans.
You sound like a delulu girl जो कि वो लड़के नहीं पकड़ लेती हैं लड़कियां कि इसको तो मैं बदल दूंगी, ये मेरे प्यार में पागल हो
तो मैं
जाएगा।
बदल सकती हूँ, मेरे में वो आत है।
कैसी बातें कर रही हूँ? नहीं भैया, जिसको चेंज नहीं होना है वो नहीं चेंज होगा।
मतलब मुझे 5 गालियां मिलेगी कि तुम ऐसी हो, तुम वैसी हो, तुमने वो किया था, तुमने इसके साथ ये किया था, that's why we troll you, and I'll change 360 degree.
You think you can change the troller's mindset?
If I get little time, I can.
That's what I thought about with my ex, that I will change him, I will fix him, and guess what? मुझे mental asylum जाना पड़ गया।
There's a reason why they're ex. Please never go back. This is my first rule in life. I never go back to my ex. I mean, if I'm done with him, I am done.
Even when I'm done after 100 times. After the 100 times, I'm like, I am done. And then I'm like, oops.
मतलब बचपन में भी ना, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स जब आपके पास ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है, आप जब यंग होते हो, आपको यू वांट टू गो बैक टू योर बॉयफ्रेंड, यू वांट टू सी वेदर दे आर ऑन फेसबुक और दे आर ऑनलाइन, तब BBM होता था एंड ऑल दैट। तो आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑल दैट कि वो अप्रोच करे, वो मुझे फोन करे, पर कभी ना कभी मतलब 60% 70% ऐसा हुआ है कि मुझे अप्रोच वापस नहीं किया है, एंड देन आई लुक बैक एंड लाइक थैंक गॉड अप्रोच नहीं किया, बिकॉज आई एम ओवर हिट।
किस उम्र तक होता है? मतलब
आई थिंक 24-25 तक तो होता ही है, बिकॉज तब तक आप थोड़े से मैच्योर होते हो, तब तक आप थोड़े से वो एक फैंटेसी बबल में रहते हो। तो
मेरे साथ अभी भी हो रहा है।
ओह,
I think I've refused to
just move on.
Yeah, no, but no, ऐसा अभी कुछ नहीं है। अभी it's chill, अभी it's all chill. So I have बचपन की बातें कर ही रहे थे।
ओह,
मेरा तो बचपन ही चल रहा है, तो आपकी भी बचपन की पिक्चर्स हैं यहाँ पे। Tell us about this.
ये मैं और मेरी मम्मी है, एंड देन वी आर चिलिंग। हम लोग गए थे गणपति फूले, वहाँ गणपति का बहुत बड़ा टेम्पल है और आप मन्नत मांगते हो वहाँ, एंड माई मॉम एंड डैड यूज्ड टू गो अ लॉट व्हेन वी वर किड्स।
How many siblings do you have?
I have an elder sister and that's about.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Your mother looks very pretty.
Yeah. That's me.
That's
Showing my little Andi.
How old were you? 2?
Yeah, 2.
Wow,
2.5 years old, yeah.
cute. Oh,
This is my sister.
She's your elder sister.
Yeah, my elder sister, me,
Your mother,
my mom.
and this is
I think
some random random cousin. Oh, this is cute. This is like newly born.
Yeah, like I must be 1 year old.
Wow, cute. You were studious and naughty. Did you bunk in school like
No,
me?
never. The one thing I was like, नहीं मुझे बहुत guilty feel होता था. I used to not bunk classes. मतलब बीमार भी पड़ता तो मुझे लगता था मम्मा I'm bunking class. I don't want to.
So thank God मैं तुम्हें bunk करवा रही हूँ यहाँ पे. You never used to bunk classes.
College में bunk.
Okay, चलो college की है.
तब बड़ी हो गई अरे देखा
But I think that time you started working also.
Yeah, so I was used to work and I used to do my college also.
Sorry.
But दोनों साथ में जब होता था तो I couldn't manage both. तो मैं ले लेती थी notes अपने friends से and I used to manage somehow.
I think you started working when you were like
17
17. College and working साथ में.
together.
So how was the experience? कैसे manage कर रहे थे?
मतलब-
उस time कोई boyfriend था?
उस टाइम पे हाँ नया नया बॉयफ्रेंड बना था
17. Oh.
17 में मेरा पहला बॉयफ्रेंड था एंड
College का ही?
कॉलेज का ही गुड लुकिंग वेरी हैंडसम यूज्ड टू लाइक समहाउ लुक लाइक अरबाज खान
Yeah, Arbaz Khan in his prime was,
prime
by the way, like was a hottie. Bro.
exactly so used to like had that little jhalak of Arbaz Khan.
Kiss memory. It was cute or it was cringe?
No, it was cute for sure. Like,
That was your first kiss.
yeah, that was my first kiss. It was romantic, it was cute, memorable, jittery feeling, all of that. No
Yeah,
cringe.
first, mine was very awkward. So
Yours was cringe?
just the guy stops me after 1 minute and he's like, "बहुत थूक हो रही है." Just do it. Yeah,
I've never heard something.
he said that.
That was funny.
But he said that to me, so I was just like, so. But how were you in school? You were this tall only. Yeah.
हाँ मतलब मुझे याद है सब लोग मुझे बोलते थे पीछे लाइन में खड़े रहते पीछे
Yeah.
फिर खड़े रहे तो पीछे
I was the shortest in school, so I would not stand next to you at all, ever. You are so tall. Were you bullied and all?
नो आई वाज नॉट बुलीड बट लंबी तन्ना बोलते थे मुझे
I was not bullying that sec, but guys must have liked you.
yeah they all loved me because they were tall guys also in my school
So they must be crushing on you
Yeah.
hard. And you were like a pretty
Yeah.
girl in the...
people were crushing on me the boys were crushing for sure so and I used to like that attention also I'm like oh my god I'm this
Hot
girl.
pig.
I used to not be hot but I used to be pretty and tall if you understand what I'm saying
Yeah.
sweet pretty / tall
Cute, tall.
बट वो हॉटनेस नहीं थी मेरे में तभी भी वो नहीं आया वो विथ टाइम आया कि भाई अभी मुझे थोड़ा सा ग्रूम करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को थोड़ा सा हॉट
Once you started walking,
या दैट्स व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज हॉटनेस एंड यू नो व्हाट मेन
how
डिजायर
to use it also.
या
The art of seduction.
या
But in,
दैट आल्सो आई स्टिल डोंट हैव इट
you don't have it? No, your husband would say otherwise. Come on.
my husband found me very cute and sweet and innocent but that hotness you know that seduction and all that वो अपना काम निकालने के लिए
Oh yeah.
वो सब नहीं आता है मेरे में
अभी भी नहीं
मैं थोड़ी सी टॉम्बॉयिश थी
अभी
अभी गर्ली हूँ
अभी थोड़ा सा I think that change every girl somewhere goes through the tomboyish phase
yeah
and we like it somewhere.
yeah like
Then I also realized that I like being girly. So
yeah. तो मैं
एकदम।
कपड़े टॉम्बॉय जैसे नहीं पहनती थी मेरे हाव भाव टॉम्बॉय जैसे थे मतलब ऐसे नजाकत थी ही नहीं मेरे में प्लीज जस्ट कैन यू जस्ट डू दिस फॉर मी वो सब था ही नहीं मेरे में
never.
जस्ट डू इट ना फॉर मी
I've seen you in Big Boss. I remember.
so I am that
I liked you in Big Boss,
Yeah.
by the way. You were like a baddie when being a baddie was not like a thing.
Yeah.
You were like a baddie in Big Boss. You were very...
and I had this soft side also which they never showed because understand Urfi in a 45 minutes of episode
Yeah,
why will they show a good side of somebody
They only want to show what's
the drama and the
drama.
masala
the masala.
I mean I don't blame them because they also have to sell their episode na
No, but I liked you in the show. Like, I've always liked women who can take a stand for themselves.
Yeah.
Because
मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ अगर तुम्हारे में मगज है भेजा है ब्रेन्स है तो तुम बोलोगे अगर तुम मंद बुद्धि हो तो तुम चुप बैठोगे
were you always this confident? Or you were not in school? You were like the shy kid or observer?
Yes, I was always confident. I always had a mind of my own. I always had my opinions. And I felt this is how I am. I have always stood up for my fellow friends and for me. And if I see that something's going wrong and someone is trying to, trigger me for wrong reasons, I will stand up and I'll talk and I have no filter then.
So you're born and brought up in Mumbai only.
I'm born and brought up in South Bombay.
South Bombay.
Gujarati family, 2 daughters, 2 sisters. me and my sister, and come from a middle class family, simple Orthodox Gujarati family.
But good upbringing, confident, because I see a very confident young woman, and like girls like me, we were told not to speak up, so I was very underconfident.
मतलब मेरे मॉम डैड ने भी मुझे सिखाया नहीं था कि हमेशा बेटा अपने लिए बोलना एंड ऑल दैट, नथिंग, नो, देयर वाज नो टीचिंग, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. मेरे आजू बाजू जो माहौल था ना, उसने मुझे स्ट्रांग बनाया है. एवरीथिंग वाज मेन प्रो, एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक यू नो, मर्द ऐसे करेंगे, लड़के ऐसे करेंगे. वो देख देख के मुझे लगा लड़कियां क्यों नहीं कर सकती. दैट गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई,
You refused to give in to the situation.
exactly, and that got me the confidence that made me a stronger human being.
Even in college, you were like,
Yeah, college I was very nice. I hardly went and did classes because I used to do my shoot also. Hot boys, but I was dating one of them.
and then after college, like you guys was broke up.
Yeah, of course I broke up because he was very insecure. He's like, "Arey, oh, you want to get into acting, but I want to like."
Oh, he didn't support your career at all.
No, he didn't. He didn't understand this. And I was also learning about my career. I was not, it was just 1 year into my career, and I was also very busy, you know, hustling and getting shows and being on the set, understanding acting, learning acting at the same time. I don't want
Any guy-
unsupportive.
But did you ever get influence कि अच्छा सही बोल रहा है, नहीं करना चाहिए?
I always
way
use the mind of my own. Always. मैं हुई नहीं वैसी बनी कि मैं young age में शादी कर लूँ, बच्चे कर लूँ.
Did you want to get married at all?
So I wanted to get married, but I was never desperate. It was not on my checklist of first number पे नहीं आता था. Always career was my highlight and my focus point. शादी हो जाएगी, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हो जाएगी, एक अच्छा लड़का मिल जाएगा, कर लूंगी. पर डेस्परेट नहीं थी कि हाय मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही है, हाय मेरे को लड़का नहीं मिल रहा है, ऐसा कभी नहीं था.
And then you met your husband at a common friend's party. Yeah, I saw
You
that
know
into it.
it.
Yeah, I know it. I think during COVID time, किसी की party थी, and then not a lot of people were invited. You were contemplating मैं जाऊँ कि ना जाऊँ. Yeah, I know.
Everything.
I saw it. No, I saw the interview, and then you went, and you were so like, कि wow, मुझसे भी कोई लंबा लड़का है. Your husband is very tall, by the way.
Yeah.
How tall
You
is
met
he?
him, no?
Yeah, I've met
Yeah.
him. How tall is he?
He's 6'3". I can finally wear heels.
Finally, you
I can finally look up and kiss.
wow. Have you only dated guys before that who were like shorter than you?
Who are my height or maybe one, two?
You are 6, man. Like it's impossible to find a guy who's 6.
अरे I had only given up. I'm like मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला कोई लड़का who's gonna be this tall.
And for
But
look at the universe
yeah,
playing the games.
yeah.
So have you ever faked a friendship?
Yeah, I have a lot of times because, you know, as a girl, we had that sixth sense in us when the guy is hitting on
Yeah.
you.
So guys hit on you like creepily at events. That must be.
Creepily, हाँ, मतलब not, yeah, creepily only I'll say, or maybe that'll make you a little uncomfortable,
Yeah, the uncomfortable.
you know, and I used to get very uncomfortable even if someone used to hit on me. I used to get very uncomfortable. I'm very bad
What are
at
you saying? You should be used to getting hit.
मतलब I am, but I don't know, I get very uncomfortable is the word. I don't know how to take compliments. I don't know when someone says that you look sexy. I don't know how to take it. I don't.
Okay, sexy is not a nice. Honestly, I wouldn't like it if a guy just called me, "Are you looking sexy?"
Huh.
I would want that compliment maybe from a boyfriend or husband, not from a
Yeah.
random guy. That's
Then yeah, I agree.
creepy. But
Or just passing comments and then just,
that's
you know, like hinting towards creepiness. And I've been very uncomfortable, and then I've just laughed it out because I'm nervous.
yeah, that's what we do. You know, you don't know.
We don't know what
Yeah.
to do. We just laugh it out.
I think one guy at one party, he just like I think he was being cute. We met 2-3 times. He also said very weird things like, "Do you want to be my fuck buddy?" And I just yeah, that was a bit weird. And at that time, I keep thinking that I should have, you know, be like, क्या है कुत्ते कहीं के? But I didn't. I was like, हाँ हाँ क्या बोल रहा है? Now I regret it that I should have.
You should have.
Yeah.
मुझे हाँ
But men must be in your DM also all the time. Not okay right now because you're married. उससे पहले तो they must be.
yeah, I ignore.
But I don't get flirty DMs. No one flirts with me.
But do you want to get married? Do you want to have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? I don't know.
What is that one thing that you think right now? कि यार ये क्या कर दिया था इसके attention के लिए यार? Come on.
जब मैं स्कूल में थी ना, हमारे फ्री पीरियड्स जब भी होते थे ना, आई यूज्ड टू लाइक वन गाय. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉलेज वाला गाय. इन स्कूल
In school.
I used to like one guy and I used to want his attention all the time. तो मैं क्या करती थी ना, I used to remember that he used to be very caring as a person. तो मैं जानबूझ के ना बीमार होने लगती थी. मैं छींकती थी जब भी वो आजू बाजू ज्यादा था, मैं छींकने लगती थी, या तो मैं खांसती थी, या तो मैं ऐसे ना बेंच पे ऐसे सो जाती थी, pretending that I'm very unwell, so he come and he'll do this. What happened? So it was very funny, but I used to just fall sick in front.
Did you guys ever?
No, we didn't, because it didn't happen, and then I grew out of it. But that 1 year, Urfi, I have fallen sick
Every day of your life.
and again. I'm just like, and I used to just be like that. Every time he used to cross me. So every time I used to, जो मुझे चाहिए था, attention मिल जाता था. Oh,
So ज़्यादा
किसी, how are you? Then he'll sit on my bench and he'll spend time. That's what I want.
I think he liked you,
Yeah, he liked me, but
he could also never take it forward.
yeah, maybe I was too good to.
Be true.
Yeah, for him. But I used to like him.
School वाला प्यार अलग ही होता ना. That I also remember, like, yeah, I never had the courage to go and tell anyone, oh, I like you, or do anything. If I like someone in school, I was very shy. I was like, ठीक है अभी.
हाँ, मतलब मैं भी बोल नहीं पाई, but actions.
Yeah, action. This is how you do it.
Yeah, मेरे actions बोल देते बहुत.
I used to like this guy in school. I was so pyramid बनता था हर डांस में. pyramid होते थे. Like, so I joined the pyramid team.
Oh.
So that's just because he was part of the pyramid team. I had to, और मैं सबसे छोटी थी, तो मुझे टॉप पे खड़ा करते थे पिरामिड के.
अच्छा.
और उस कुत्ते के बच्चे ने एक बार 2-3 बार एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसा गिराया है. सो मैं गिरती थी और मेरे ऊपर 50 लड़के गिरते थे. 50 guys falling for me. That's not how it went. No. Has anyone ever ghosted you?
Boys, no.
Directors or producers, after saying that, hey, let's work together.
हाँ,
Then
ये
just-
तो आई थिंक पार्ट एंड पार्सल है हमारे इंडस्ट्री का. एंड एक्टर्स experiences all the time that I would love to work with you, sir. They've seen the message, but they've not replied. But when you meet them personally, they're like, of course we'll work together. And then the next day, I'm like, it was lovely meeting you. When can we meet at your office? Or let me know if I have to audition for something. Seen but ghosted again. तो बहुत होता है. I'm used to it now.
What was the time in your career during that period you just felt कि I can't, मतलब अभी हो ही नहीं रहा है. It's I'm not. You just felt stuck. I mean, there is a time in everyone's career.
Yeah, yeah.
You feel like इससे ज़्यादा कुछ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why is it happening? Was it after the television when you made that big change, you decided that I'm going to do it now? Or was it after? What happened that you just felt कि why नहीं हो रहा है?
Means after TV, you know, I think everybody has this dream के आपको लाइफ में थोड़ा सा एक लेवल अप जाना है. Of course, सबको एम्बिशन होता है, सबको ग्रो करना होता है लाइफ में. तो when I did TV, I think I took all the experience of TV and I felt now I feel stagnated here और मुझे फिल्म्स में ट्राई करना है. इतनी इनोसेंट थी कि मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि if you're working on TV, to work on films is very difficult. I had no idea. मुझे ये सिस्टम ही समझ में नहीं आता था, because when you go in the West, it's not like that. If you see Jennifer Aniston is the biggest TV star of Friends, but she's doing films also. So I had that mindset. तो I
Because for them, they're just actors. They see them as
आप बक्स में किसी को क्यों डालती हो? ये थिएटर आर्टिस्ट है, ये ड्रामा आर्टिस्ट है, ये टीवी
in
आर्टिस्ट
India
है.
is there.
In India, it is there. And I failed to understand this logic. But I still used to go confidently कि, you know, acting तो तब तक मुझे आ ही गया था. तो I used to go audition, meetings, ये वो. आप ओवर एक्सपोज थे टीवी पे. एंड मैंने ना कभी भी एक क्या बोलते हैं वो सास बहू ड्रामा टाइटल रोल कभी नहीं किया है. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज डू स्मॉल रोल्स. क्योंकि में भी अगर आप देखो, आई हैव पार्ट इन इट. आई एम नॉट लाइक द लीड ऑफ एनी सास बहू ड्रामा जहाँ मैं साड़ी पहन के वो ग्लिसरीन लगा कर रही हूँ. नो, आई हैव डन पार्ट्स एंड आई हैव कम आउट ऑफ इट, टेकन एक्सपीरियंसेस, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम पहले से ही ओनली ना, इफ आई एम don't know where the end of my role is, I can't keep doing that Monday to Saturday same role again and again and again where I don't know where the graph is going. तो मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ.
I've also done television, like small
हाँ.
parts. Yeah.
तो मतलब television gave me huge and great platform to, you know, act, to have that confidence in front of the camera, to remember lines, you know, and be famous at the same time. कितने perks है television के. तो मैं वो confidence लेके फिर
You get the script literally 5 minutes before the.
कौन करके दिखाएगा बताओ मुझे स्क्रिप्ट
It's
ऐसा.
very difficult. 2 pages
You
immediately.
remember, yeah, and I used to like, and Smriti Irani was like my inspiration क्योंकि मैं उनको देखकर ही literally सीखी हूँ acting. she would just read. बुक होती थी एक साइड पे उनके, वो बुक पढ़ती थी, मैम आपका स्क्रिप्ट, एंड शी जस्ट सी द स्क्रिप्ट, एंड वो तो लीड थी क्योंकि कि ये सब 5-5 पेजेस खाली तुलसी बोल रही है, शी जस्ट स्विफ्ट ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, ओके चलो रेडी, एक्चुअली कैसे कर लिया याद.
That is
So I've learned from there, and I used to be very good at remembering lines and all. और मैं वही confidence लेके जाती थी film producers, directors, auditions देने, and I used to only get same answer that you're a TV face, you're overexposed. Why will people come to see you in theaters? So ये rejection ले लेके. Yeah. So to answer your question, yes, I have.
and then when
And then I thought, you know what, this is not for me. I'm like, forget it, fuck it.
you decided you want to give up.
But I didn't decide to give up, but I definitely had questions. Now what? Am I really made for this? Should I really work hard? Because I don't think so. They are understanding my worth. I mean, why is this industry doing this to me? So all these negative questions used to come. I used to be very bitter also in between.
But then what was the project or what was that one thing that changed your thinking कि नहीं अभी I've made it, चलो अभी I've made it.
मतलब OTT changed it. मुझे थोड़ा सा वो बोलते हैं रे ऑफ होप आया कि चलो OTT में भले ensemble cast है, but at least acting करने का मौका मिल रहा है, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, अच्छा कैरेक्टर है. मैंने टीवी के बाद फिर रियलिटी शोज किया है, people don't know you as a character, but they know you as करिश्मा ना,
Own self.
लाइक अपनी पर्सनालिटी बाहर निकलती है. वो भी बिकॉज पता है आपको 2 महीने में 3 महीने में खत्म हो जाने वाला है शो, तो वेरी गुड, अच्छे पैसे आप कमा रहे हो, वेरी गुड.
हाँ
रियलिटी शोज पे रियली वेल.
तो धंधा ही रियलिटी शोज का है. मैं तो अभी एक मेरा रिलीज हो रहा है ट्रेलर
Oh my god, I'm excited to watch.
उस पे, बट इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क. हाँ
पर यही ना नेगेटिव, मतलब ये सब आपको लेना पड़ता है इस इंडस्ट्री में. दिस इज लाइक पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री. यू आर फेमस, यू हैव टू लिसन टू all these
Yeah.
things also.
you have to develop a thick skin.
Thick
So,
skin.
but what is that one project which you feel that got you there? Now you feel कि इस project की वजह से people are taking me seriously.
Coop. I have
I would
no
say yeah,
thoughts.
I
Like
would-
it is the best show of my
Yeah.
career.
it is. It's a very well made show.
Yes.
And Hansal sir तो
मतलब सभी टिक हो गया ना. Hansal sir, working with Hansal sir, working with Netflix, working with Matchbox, working with the best of actors. It was brilliant. It was a dream come true. And what a author back role I had. Like superb.
your role was, I mean, you were the lead, but it was so powerful.
Exactly. लीड होना एक अलग बात है. लीड होके आपके पास कैरेक्टर का आर्क होना अलग बात है.
It was a journey of a woman, a very strong woman.
Yeah.
And I think you need certain kind of strength in yourself to play that character.
Yeah.
And
And you know, you'll not believe I was getting married then.
no,
फुल स्कूप. आई वॉज गेटिंग मैरिड. सो आप देखोगे जहां जहां मैं जेल में रो रही हूँ वहां वहां शॉर्ट कट हो रहा है, और मैं अपनी डिजाइनर से स्टाइलिस्ट से बात कर रही हूँ कि मेहंदी के कपड़े क्या है. ओ आई एम गोना वेयर दिस विद दिस कलर. ओके 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 बाय. कट कर दी थी. देन अगेन आई हैव टू गेट बैक टू दैट जेल.
and एक तरफ you're getting so like you're excited in your life, and then the जैसे ही कैमरा ऑन हो रहे हो like you have to
सबसे
cry.
ट्रबलसम सीन्स जो मैंने किए हैं
It was during
रियल लाइफ में मेरी उतनी खुशी चल रही थी. आई वॉज लाइक माई हस्बैंड वॉज ऑन द सेट. ही सॉ मी एक्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ऐसे गंदे जेब.
Oh, he had not seen you acting.
एक्टिंग नहीं, मतलब सेट पे आया
Oh, set
लाइव
पे.
देखना.
Oh, wow, must be an experience.
Yeah, he came when I was shooting for jail sequence. He came when I was shooting for hospital scenes. Everything. मतलब 1-2 times only he's come, but he's come where
Is he a supportive husband? Is he
very supportive.
he's not from this industry, but he understands it?
Exactly. तो मेरा biggest concern यही था. I always wanted to get married to a non-actor because मुझे same conversation नहीं करना है. वो insecurity नहीं चाहिए. You know.
There's a lot of insecurity if the guy is not from this industry. कि क्या होता है कभी कभी rumors हमारे हाथ में भी नहीं होते हैं.
Correct.
अभी वो rumors सुन के if that guy is getting insecure, it's but does he understand all of
He
this?
understands because now when we dated for a year. He understood what I am. He's like, अच्छा ये लड़की इंडस्ट्री में है पर है रियल. वो इंडस्ट्री ने उसको ऐसे घुमा नहीं दिया है. If you understand, not I've not been overpowered by this industry. If you understand, I have a proper real and real life also. I know where to draw the line when I'm talking to real people, when to talk when I'm with industry people.
Yeah.
So he understood that difference. कि यार ये बंदी लड़की रियल है और जो भी बोल रही है. ना, आई टू टेल हिम दैट मेरे पास में यहाँ लिंकअप था, वहाँ लिंकअप था. दिस इज हाउ पीपल लिंक यू अप, दिस इज हाउ पीपल टॉक टू यू, सो यू डोंट हैव टू फील बैड. एंड ही यूज्ड टू लाइक जस्ट बी लाइक I'm secure and I'm very confident about it.
That is very rare, by the way.
But that happens when you are also giving that kind of security, and your body language doesn't change when, you know, other men are around you or the industry people are around you. He figured that I'm a very real person and I'm in this industry because it's my passion, not for anything else, you know. And I will not take any bullshit from. So he figured all of that.
How long have you guys been married for now?
3.5 years now. 1 year of dating and 3.5 years of marriage.
I think I read somewhere in your interview only. Not read, I think I saw an interview. You said your father didn't speak to you for like a month. You didn't see you for a month after you were born. Like,
Yeah.
it's the same.
He was, and
He wanted a
wanted a male child, yeah, because the first one was a female child. And I would not blame him because, you know, we lived in a joint family where it was just needed, a male child was needed, you know, कि लड़का हो तो वो अपने क्या बोलते हैं
वंश को आगे
बढ़ाता है
ऐसे.
and all that, you know, and I used to not understand. So when I was, I think 15 years old, that's when mom told me that, you know, I cried when you were born because out of sheer pressure that दूसरी भी बेटी हुई है, अब मेरे जो फैमिली वाले हैं वो क्या बोलेंगे एंड ऑल दैट कि दूसरी भी बेटी हुई. और जब मेरे हस्बैंड को बोला फैमिली मेंबर्स ने कि दूसरी वाली भी बेटी हुई है, मतलब he took a U-turn, he didn't even come to see me. He's like, I don't want to see the second girl child and all that.
And then he was a good father.
Very good father. Then he apologized also when mom told me this, and he told me I'm very sorry. And then when I got into this industry, I made sure that I give him everything what a man could give him. I gave him that independent life. I gave him that confidence, and he's like, you know, I was wrong. About my thinking, it was pressure. That's why I thought, and I was, you know, overpowered by their thoughts. But
So you changed your father's thinking in a way.
yeah, and till late, till he died, he was crying and he's like, why did I do that?
That's sweet.
Yeah.
I mean, even my father, he said it that said to my mother after
You are like some five sisters, no?
siblings, 4 sisters, 1 brother. So yeah, he said that he's going to divorce if after 3 sisters that अगर लड़का नहीं हुआ तो.
मतलब माँ के हाथ में कैसे होता है?
उससे उनको बायोलॉजी और ये सब कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. So but it's easier to blame the women always.
No?
It's just how the society works.
Yeah.
So who's the tall one in your family? Your father or your mother? Like who
My
did you?
father. My father was my height.
Yeah,
Same height. My granddad was my height. So
you went on your father's
side.
Were you ever rejected because of your height? Like, I mean, I'm sure.
Yeah, I've got this also. मतलब तुम याद अभी तक तो मुझे समझ में आता था कि चलो ठीक है, I'm over.
Many people must have asked you in this question.
Yeah.
कि you must. I'm sure क्योंकि सारे लड़के जो हैं वो बटले से हैं सब. तो अभी कैसे? And there's this thing with the industry men that they don't want to look shorter. Yeah. मुझे लड़की से भी लगनी चाहिए. So
correct है. तो ये बहुत लंबे हो एक्टर से कि आपको हील कैसे बनाएंगे, ड्रेस पहनोगे तो हील तो पहननी पड़ेगी, तो आप ओवर पावर करोगे लड़कों को. तो ये सब बहुत मिला है. Sorry, we are rejecting you because you're too tall. Sorry, we are rejecting you because you're overexposed on TV.
चलो इसमें
I'm used to this. अब तो मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. बोलो.
Let's move on
From the touchy topic
to some more touchy topic. So this segment is all about the energy you vibe with. It's called What's Your Type? Sponsored by Type Beauty. So I'll read the statement like if he's a 10 and I'll say kya ho raha hai? And then if you think that statement is acceptable to you or you vibe with the statement, you say yeah, he's a 10. And then you're like, he's a 0.
Okay.
He's a 10 but introduces you as my friend at industry events and friends.
Oh God, that's not acceptable at all. Especially जब हम दोनों ने accept कर लिया that, you know, we are dating and we are girlfriend boyfriend. So I think disrespecting in public and not acknowledging your partner is a
0.
Total minus. Zero भी नहीं, minus.
He's a 10 but gets jealous when you are on a red carpet and he is not.
It's a sign of insecurity, and I will never ever date somebody who's insecure. So
yeah, that's
minus.
It's insecurity. He's a 10 but thinks Khatro Ke Khiladi stunts are scripted and fake.
So then I explained her that it's not scripted and fake. Please understand and please believe me because
मैंने किए
stunts मैंने और मैं जीती भी हूँ. It's mind over matter. मैंने बहुत strong
You have to
mind रखा है और मैं जीती हूँ.
it's not easy to do
Not at all.
regularly at all. That is one show that
You did it?
no, that is one show that I cannot do.
और मैं सेम सोचती थी, मैंने 4 साल गवा दिए उसमें, और वे 5वें साल में मैंने फाइनली हाँ बोला, एंड आई थिंक थैंक गॉड आई डिड इट.
He's a 10, but says reality TV isn't real acting.
See, it is to an extent it is real. There is a scope of tweaking it, if you understand. So whenever we are, say, a part of, say, a Big Boss or a Jhalak Dikhla Jo or any reality shows, it is you only as a personality. It's just that they can tweak, they can alter, they can play with your mind.
No, but he's saying that it's real. It's not real acting, but it's not acting.
It's not acting, it's not scripted at all, but they have the power to tweak it.
Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत तो करते. तो is he a 10 or is he not a 10?
If I explain him, if he understands, then he's a 10. If he doesn't understand, get out.
Yeah, then he's a 0. He's a 10, but he's still friends with his ex.
See, depends how mature the relationship is. Like my partner, my husband, is not in touch, but sometimes on and off they talk, and I'm totally fine because I know it is a very, very mature friendship and relationship they had, so I have no problems. But other than that, that flimsy ones, no.
But he's still a 10.
Yeah, he's a very much a 10 because I love him, and he gives me a lot of security already.
It's about your partner giving you that security. चुप चुप के बात कर रहे फिर तो चलो.
Exactly.
He's a 10, but posts gym selfies with cringe captions.
Mine is,
I don't
thank God my husband doesn't do that.
just say my hate
This,
is like
this is self-obsessed जो selfies होते हैं ना, it's a no for me.
ऐसे वो को डोले
Oh
शोले
my.
दिखाते हुए, yeah, डोले शोले दिखाते हुए. Yeah, even I hate it. I don't like gym guys anyways. If he's too much into gym, like I wouldn't date him. I like dad boards.
What board?
He's dad board. You know dad board?
No.
पेट निकला है थोड़ा सा. I'm okay. I like all this. थोड़ा सा चबी से है.
अच्छा, dad मतलब DAD.
Yes, dad. Dad
Oh,
body.
dad body.
There's an uncle's
Papa
called
body.
Papa bodies, yeah. Our fathers used to have dad boards. I'm into dad boards.
No comment.
That's my type. He's a 7, but cooks chef kiss level means.
No, I want a 10 on 10. Cook मैं कर लूंगी. No.
So it's okay if he doesn't.
Yeah, I need him as a good human being, but not 7 on 10.
Does your husband cook well?
Poor guy can't cook at all.
He can't even cook to save his life.
No, he can't. He can't even.
You can cook.
I can cook really well.
You were cooking mushroom burgers that night when you were with me at the. So
How do you know?
I know because you were ordering mushrooms on the phone, so I figured it, and you were like buns chicken.
Buns चाहिए. Very good cook. मतलब from Chinese, मैं ठेले वाला Chinese mind blowing बनाती हूँ.
Chowmin.
Yeah, come home.
Yeah, please, I would love.
Like fried rice and this Manchurian balls and all. My God, very good. And I can make Guju food also.
Oh, I love Gujarati food.
Please come.
I love the
I make khandvi very well.
meethi dal, that
meathi
wild curry. I love Gujarati food. And I love the khatta meetha जो taste होता है ना.
हाँ.
Some people don't like it.
I
But
like घर आओ, मम्मी बहुत
Please.
खुश हो जाएगी.
I would love that dal dhokli, meethi dal.
Lunch. You make रैसा.
Yeah, dal. He's an 8, but he's super rich.
चलेगा.
चलेगा. Like it. But on
8 ठीक है. 8 is a good number. I mean,
it is very good.
ना 8 is a good number. 6 बोलते तो शायद मैं बोलती नहीं.
But it is.
8 is a good number. अभी 2 point चलेगा.
He's a 10, but never watches any of your work.
No, not acceptable at all. He has to be very proud of my work.
And he has to watch it like.
Watch it and acknowledge me for sure. So,
Then he's a 0.
0.
He's a 10, but thinks your height is intimidating.
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं. Luckily, I have dated short men and they've been like, Park, I love your height, man. Just wear more heels. I'm like, oh.
So
Ask me how I feel.
you can't wear heels. Not with me, at least. No, please don't do that.
See, my flat's been crying.
इसमें भी heels है, which I don't like it. There's like 1 inch there. Yeah, that's not acceptable to me. But if there's a guy who says your height is intimidating, then he's a 0 or
Fuck off.
fuck off. If he says my height is intimidating, then I don't know. He can.
Yeah, very intimidating, Urfi. Love the heels.
But this is my life. Like you, I can walk a marathon in heels. Yeah, I'm so my like
Well, I'll have knee injury if I'm in
I
heels.
don't feel anything down there. मुझे कुछ feel ही नहीं होता है. ना
You can like literally be in still toes.
all day. मुझे मेरी feelings वहाँ की नसें सब दब चुकी हैं. This is me every day. More even bigger than that. I have this 10 inches custom made heels. So 10 inches.
Go.
Crazy. He's a 10, but doesn't share his phone passwords and keeps it a secret.
Because secret is a problem. I should know his phone password. I don't check phones.
You never check phones?
Hardly. I haven't. once, twice I have, but it's not my what do you say, fun thing or something. No.
तुम्हें कुछ मिला ही नहीं. अगर एक बार मिल जाता फिर तो फन लगता है चेक करने में.
तो यार कर ले, जो करना है, क्या ही करेगा. तो ऐसा एटीट्यूड है. I like giving space.
Yeah,
But yeah, if I don't know his password, then he's a 0 out of 10.
But you know the passwords. You want to know the passwords.
I mean, I've never asked him, tell me your password. He just knows my password. I just
And
know his password.
It's an understood
Very
thing.
understood thing. कि यार ये फोन नहीं उठाने वाली, और उठा ही लीजिए.
One of my partner's phone, like that's it. I think when he was cheating.
वो फीलिंग आ जाती है ना हम लड़कियों को कि
Can I-
उठा लो फोन.
तो यहाँ पे हमारा रैपिड फायर खत्म होता है. Let's get into next set of questions. These are also like kind of rapid fire only. जल्दी आंसर देना है. What genre do you want to explore next? Comedy, biopic, or maybe even action?
I think action drama with comic situation.
Oh.
You know, like she's like this badass character, but imagine she's scared of lizards when she's alone. Imagine she keeps falling all the time, but she saves the day. She saves the world.
Action comedy.
Action comedy.
Action
Like
comedy.
action drama, but situational comedy.
If your life was a movie and there's a background song that has to play every time you enter, what would that song think?
हर घड़ी
Come on, yeah.
है धूप जिंदगी.
Why would you play that if you're entering like whenever?
अच्छा ये नाम एंटरी.
Yeah, like entering a song.
Who runs the world?
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like
Acting.
production. Like I do this show called Splitsvilla, so I'm the mischief maker. Yeah, that I'm the mischief maker. Every time I enter, they play this Rabba bachaye mujhe Rabba. As I run the show, like you bitches, how dare you? What is one useless talent that you secretly are proud of? You have a one secret talent.
I have the knack of influencing people and मैं अपने ऐसे बाटली में उतार देती हूँ. वो है मैं.
Then so you should do Traitors. I was just telling her that she should do, maybe if she get a show like Traitors, she should. Why not?
I don't know whether I can deal with so many minds. Also now there is no filter on my face. I mean, I know how to be poker also when I am in front of so many cameras.
Yeah.
But because of our personality, na, they're like, isko nikalo yaar. You know what I mean?
Nahi yaar.
I think no.
I don't know. I think you'll do very well as a traitor for some reason.
ठीक है, I'll try.
If you were a cocktail, what would your cocktail name be?
Spicy margarita.
Spicy margarita.
Spicy
Curry meeta.
Hmm.
I think yeah. Spicy curry.
curry meat. Achha.
Curry meeta. Like this the word play. Spicy curry meeta.
Curry meat. Spicy curry meat.
If there was a reality show about your life, what would it be called?
Tanna Tales.
Tanna Tales.
Because in one episode I'll be like doing yoga and breathing. The next episode I'll be eating burgers. I'm very that way.
Where does the burger go? Where is the burger?
Okay, I'm full gujju. I have like fat pockets.
There is. Where are the?
Because I'm tall, it doesn't show. I'm lucky. But I struggle with fat pockets.
There is anyone who sees you will. I'm sure your husband also says this to you.
The husband though
I know.
loves.
Kahan hai fat?
Arey hai. Like I don't have a swimming costume body. If you're asking me, I don't.
No one has a swimming costume body. That's when you are starving yourself.
Huh.
If you eat to nourish your body, you will not have that body. That's what I know. I used to starve myself so much. मैं कुछ खाती नहीं थी. दिन के 2 chicken के piece, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was मेरी कमर 23 थी. Now I'm 25, 26. And now I'm like,
What?
yeah,
I think I'm 10 inches broader than you.
that time last year I was this. That's it. I was obsessed with being skinny. Obsessed. Now I'm happy. Okay, if your pet had a podcast, what tea would it spill about you?
My pet would definitely say that she gives all wrong excuses to be with me all the time, because I keep saying that my Coco needs me, my Coco's alone, my Coco's unwell. I have
So
to
you use Coco's name. I met Coco.
Met-
I met Coco.
and I take so 500 selfies, so I irritate him, so he'll definitely spill that out for sure.
Just use Coco's name to get out of situations and events.
Every
That's what she does. Thank you for the tip. I'll use my cats. I have cats. I don't have. Yeah, bye.
Initially I never used to like cats, but from I think 5 years I love cats. I'm attracted to cats everywhere. Like in my gym also, I just like pet them, and they're like, but I still pet.
No, they're thoda sa moody, but they're like us. I like cats.
I love animals.
Yeah, same. What's your secret guilty pleasure? Trashy TV, overthinking, or online stalking?
Can I say overthinking and stalking? I love both.
Who do you stalk?
I stalk everybody.
You're a stalker.
Yeah, I like to see fashion. I like to see what she's
No,
wearing.
stalking means one like.
हाँ, I also see that, oh, where is she? What is she
या
doing?
इसने अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ पिक्चर्स डिलीट कर दी है मतलब कुछ तो गड़बड़
नहीं, वो जोन नहीं है. मेरी शादी हुई, मैं वो सब नहीं देखती.
I to stalk people. I stalk people hard. And when I say hard, like I will.
But it has to be some relevance to your life होता है ना. और मेरा तो relevance ही नहीं है. बड़ा कौन सा लड़का किसके साथ क्या कर रहा है? I don't care.
This was a very, very good segment. I think you nailed it. So now it's time for your report card. Are you ready?
Teacher, please give me good marks. Principal ji.
Let's go for Karishma Tanna's report card. Energy and vibe. Oh, I like it. I've always liked your energy. I've told you this. I think it's 10 on 10. OOTD.
यार मैंने तो बहुत ही सिंपल पहना है.
No, but simple is nice. I think denims and a white t-shirt and like a white ganji is just classic. I always tell my people in my family that whenever you're confused, denims and white.
My favorite combo.
Okay, and your belt, I love the belt. Yes, nice. It's a 9 on 10 for me. OTD.
Thank you.
Drama quotient.
Hmm.
I'm a big drama queen. Like I mean, मेरे लिए standards भी बहुत high है.
Oh,
Don't take it personally.
थोड़ा कम कर दो क्योंकि
Yeah, you're chill out. You're a chill out girl. You're not that dramatic. You're just like, whatever.
Yeah.
There's no drama happening, but still I would say 7 on 10. Yeah, still. Stalking skills. I mean, you just stalk fashion pages and normal people. You're not stalking. I mean,
no, you're not like a real stalker. I'm not.
I stalk everyone. I will go so deep into stalking कि किसके husband ने क्या क्या किया, कैसे किया. I would know about things that you also wouldn't know about your husband.
Wow.
Yeah, I have very stalking skills.
So मेरा वैसे ओवर थिंकिंग में अंदर ना फाइल के अंदर सब वैसे लिंक होता. इतना मैं घुस जाती हूँ ओवर थिंकिंग में कि एक दो घंटे निकल जाते हैं. I'm like, fuck, was I like just thinking, doing nothing?
I think overthinking is a form of meditation. If you ask me, you're not overthinking, you're meditating. That's how you should tell people. I'm not an overthinker, I'm a meditator. Yeah, that's the new mantra. Stalking skills, I would still say 5 on 10. I'm sorry. Hotness, okay. Hotness, I'll give you 12 on 10. Yeah, so the marks were amazing.
कहाँ है मेरे चश्मे?
Just, you don't need glasses at all. But you would look hot with glasses.
Thank
I think that look would have really up the game.
Yeah.
So this is, guys, the end for Bunk with Urfi. और आज मैंने करिश्मा तन्ना को bunk करवाया. So from teen TV to becoming a force in the digital space, Karishma Tanna is a living proof that growth isn't loud, it's layered. From heartbreak headlines to a happily ever after, your journey has been amazing.
Thank you.
It has been crazy. You've danced, you've dared, and you've dodged the drama sometimes. But today, you spilled, you served, and you slayed. And for that, darling, you get all full marks on the bunk file. You've rewritten your own narrative from playing roles to owning the mic, building a presence that's equal parts of fierce and thoughtfulness. Thank you, Karishma, for being such a sport. I think you really gave it your all, and it was so much fun having you. The energy was spectacular, I must say.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is all for today. That's enough for Bunk with Urfi, powered by Secret Temptation and in association with Tide Beauty, जहाँ syllabus optional है but sass mandatory, and Karishma got a lot of sass. Yay! Done.
Thank you.